Welcome back to Tech Solutions. Today we're boosting performance on Zorin OS 18 by installing the XanMod kernel. If you want smoother gaming, faster multitasking, or better responsiveness overall, this upgrade is going to help. The best part? It's easy, it's free, and you can always roll back if needed. XanMod is a custom Linux kernel built specifically for desktop performance. It focuses on responsiveness, better frame timing for games, lower latency, and improved hardware scheduling. So if your system sometimes feels like it's holding back, this might unlock that extra power. Before we begin, there are two important notes. First, if your system uses Secure Boot, the XanMod kernel won't load because it's unsigned, so make sure Secure Boot is disabled in your BIOS or UEFI settings. Second, if you're using NVIDIA drivers, VirtualBox, or other modules that rely on kernel integration, they might take a little time to update for newer kernels. If you depend on them daily, consider using a slightly older stable XanMod release. We're going to update our system, add the official XanMod repository, and install the right version of the kernel based on your CPU. Modern processors usually support the x64v3 build. Older CPUs may require x64v2. There's even a detection script that tells you the right version automatically. After installation, we reboot, verify the kernel, and enjoy the difference. The original Zorin OS kernel stays as backup in Grub, so you always have a safe option to boot into if something doesn't behave correctly. Let's walk through the steps. First, we update Zorin OS and install a few required packages. Then we import the secure key from XanMod so our system trusts the repository. After that, we add the repository itself, update again, and run the CPU check script to confirm which kernel build to install. Then we install the recommended kernel package and reboot. When the system starts again, we check the kernel version using a simple command. If you see XanMod in the version number, you're good to go. That's it. Now your Zorin OS should feel more responsive, especially during heavy tasks or gaming. Apps open quicker, system animations feel smoother, and gameplay should show more stable performance. If this tutorial helped you level up your Linux experience, hit the like button and let others in the Zorin community know. Subscribe to Tech Solutions for more Linux optimization guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.